guys, it's Bree the Coupon Queen. Welcome back to my channel. Let's head into Walgreens. I have all digital coupon deals for you guys today. So if you are a beginner at couponing or a beginner at couponing at Walgreens, it's definitely a great video for you to watch because I'm gonna walk you through step by step how to stock up on all of these deals. Now, I don't have any digital boosters. I don't have any paper boosters or anything this week. Let me know in the comments if you've been getting any paper boosters. I know they were previously doing the booster that would print if you bought a like a photo order. You could get the cheapest like 32-cent photo printed and then it would print you out that booster. Let me know if that's still happening. I may have to wind up doing that next week because it makes it harder when you don't have digital boosters and stuff to score. But we still have really good deals on laundry products. You can save 50% compared to Walmart. We have the great Scott product deal. There's a ton of Walgreens store brand product deals that you can take advantage of. And as always in my hauls, I give you the printable breakdown completely free in the description box of this video where I walk you through all the different deals that are going on. So to edit the breakdown, just go to File, make a copy. That way you can change around the deals, rearrange your transactions based on the deals that you want to do. If you guys are new here, take a second, hit that red subscribe button. I would love to have you as a part of the channel. And it's completely free to subscribe. Just make sure that you're not missing out on any amazing deals that you can do every single week to stock up on a variety of different products. Before we head in store, I want to let you guys know this Thursday, I'm super excited. I'm sharing another webinar with you guys completely free for how to make money from your social media. So I get asked a lot how I monetize being a coupon content creator. Can you really make a full-time income? And the answer is yes. I make six figures posting deals, sharing ways to save money, sharing deals and products that I love, apps that I love like Ibotta, Rakuten, all of those things. So when people sign up for those, I make a small commission or a bonus and the person signing up gets a bonus as well. So it's a win-win situation. But if you love couponing and you want to learn how to monetize it and you want to start sharing some deals online, all your friends are asking you about the different deals, why not post it and share it to a community and be able to make money from it? So I'm going to be teaching you how to make $1,000 with affiliate marketing with your Instagram. So if you want to come to that, it'll be linked in the comments or it's in the description box below, and then you guys can register, reserve your seat, and I'm doing a Q&A at the end like I always do. I love answering your questions. Please bring any questions you have between now and the masterclass. Write them down so that way you don't forget and I can help you on your journey. Let's pop inside to Walgreens and take advantage of these amazing deals this week. We're gonna start off with some easy oral care deals, and this time we're gonna be starting off on something that I don't usually share. So these are part of a promotion for buy two, get a $4 extra buck, and they're $4.50 each. Grab this one here. There is this $2 digital coupon that does attach. Next, we're gonna grab one of the toothpaste here for $4 with a separate $2 digital coupon. So total for both is gonna be $8.50. You have $4 in coupons, you'll pay $4.50, but then you're gonna earn back the $4 register reward for buying two. Makes your final cost 50 cents for both or 25 cents a piece, which is definitely a stock up price. You can also grab some Colgate. These are buy two, you're gonna earn back a $4 register reward. So you can grab one of the toothpaste for $4.50. We have a $2 off one digital coupon. Then you can grab one of these Colgate mouthwashes for $4.50 with a separate $2 digital coupon. Your total for both is $9, but you have $4 in digital coupons, so you'll pay $5 out of pocket. Get back that $4 register reward. Makes your final cost $1 for two or 50 cents a piece. Next, we can score the Scott products for $2.75 a piece. So this week they are buy one, get one half off, and they're always $5. So grab one of the toilet papers, clip the $1 off one digital coupon. Then my store is sold out, unfortunately, but you would want to grab one of these for $5. This one will be half off at $2.50 with another $1 digital coupon. That makes your final cost $5.50 for both or $2.75 a piece. If you need baggies, sandwich baggies, freezer bags, anything like that, the Walgreens brand are on sale again. Buy one, get two free. These are my favorite. I stock up on these every single time. In my opinion, they're just as good as Ziploc and a fraction of the price. It makes your final cost like 93 cents per one that you get, and you can mix and match too. You don't have to get all three of the same. That's cheaper than a dollar store or a $1.25 store, I should say, and it's a way better quality. Another really good deal that I'm stocking up on personally are these Walgreens trash bags for like your bathroom. I get the 8-gallon ones. These work in the larger trash can that we have in our son's nursery. So they work perfectly. They're $1.99, and then the smaller ones you can put in your bathroom. Some of them are scented as well. So I grabbed 2 of the ones that were scented for this. You can grab some of these scented or not as well. If you still need some either pre-done Easter baskets or some Easter candy and stuffers and everything, all of the Easter products on this aisle are 25% off. You can also grab them online. There is a code EGG15 to get 15% off of a $35 order, so you can do that as well to grab some last minute stocking stuffers. Keep an eye out for clearance tags too in the laundry section. There's quite a few clearance tags. Most of the products are sold out at my store, but I did find these Dawn Power Wash refills for just $3.49, which is a really good deal. Even at Walmart, they are, I believe, $4.98, so you're still saving $1.50 compared to paying full price at Walmart. And the good thing is about Walgreens is you could always pay with Walgreens cash or register rewards to lower your cost. We also have Finish for $3.79. That's a really good deal. That's cheaper than Walmart. We have some sponges here for $1.49. Heavy duty gloves. We have some more bottle brushes and stuff on clearance. On the other side of the aisle, there's a ton of clearance in the auto and home section. All of this clearance. This is crazy. I seriously have never seen this much clearance. We have a phone holder, which I wish I would have known because I just bought mine on Amazon for way more than that, but that's okay. All of this clearance. We also have, oh darn, they're sold out. I always use lint rollers because my dog shed so freaking much. It is all over my house. And we have some thread on clearance. If you like Gain, there's a ton of different Gain products that you can grab in a super easy deal to save 50% compared to Walmart. So they're on sale for $9.99 for select products, and these are the large products. They're also buy 2, get a $4 extra buck. So what you can do, grab this large Gain and clip the $3 digital coupon. Next, my store is out, but you want to grab the huge 240 count of the Gain dryer sheets for $9.99, and you're going to clip the separate $3 digital coupon. So I'm just going to use this as a placeholder, but again, you want to get the 240 count. So pretending that's the huge 240 count, your total is $19.98. After the coupons come off, you're going to pay $13.98, earn back a $4 register reward, makes it $9.98 for 2 or $4.99 a piece. If you need hair care, the L'Oreal Elvive deal is definitely a stock up price this week. So they are 2 for $10, and in store, they're buy 2, earn back a $4 register reward. Plus, they were so nice and gave us a 3 off 2 digital coupon. You'll pay $7 at the register, earn back the $4 register reward, makes your final cost $3 for 2 or 50 cents a piece. All right, we're back in from Walgreens. I only wound up doing 2 different deals. I needed the trash bag, so I grabbed that deal, and then I did the Scott deal. I wound up finding the paper towels at the front, like right when you walk in the door. I didn't even notice them, but they had the Scott deal there, so they had some toilet paper and some paper towels. So I did wind up doing that because $2.75 to me is a great stock up price on Scott products. And I'm not picky with Scott. The only product and brand that I do not like, that I do not buy, is Angel Soft, because that flakes all over your booty, and it's just not for me. It's not for me. I'll literally use like any of the other toilet papers. That's totally fine. And I feel like a paper towel is a paper towel. I don't know. Obviously, like a Viva paper towel is like top notch, but do Scott products absorb things at the end of the day too? Yes. So I'm not picky with that. So I went ahead and grabbed it. I'm trying to find, here's my receipt. So yeah, nothing special. Like I always try to tell you guys, don't do a deal unless you actually need the product, and don't do a deal if it's not going to fit in your budget. That is most important. So that's what I teach my students in my Journey to Savings program, how to make sure that you know when to stock up on deals, when to let deals go by, when to wait until the next one comes around, and making sure that you're sticking to your budget. That is most important. Where I didn't have a digital booster, I didn't have a paper booster, I have no Walgreens cash and no register rewards right now because I used them last week. There's no point in me doing any of the deals. I don't need any hair care. The only things I needed is the stuff that I went ahead and grabbed. So here's the receipt. So I paid $10 and, where is it? I can't even see. I paid $10.28 out of pocket for all of those products. But again, it was products that I needed. So I'm happy with that. I'm going to be submitting that to Fetch Rewards as always to earn as many points as possible. That way I can then exchange those points for gift cards. So that's how I usually get products for free at CVS. because they accept Fetch Rewards gift cards. Of course, Walgreens does not. Oh, they drive me bonkers sometimes, but what are you gonna do? If you guys have any questions, let me know in the comments below. Thank you guys so much for watching. I appreciate every single one of you guys, and I will see you next time. Bye.